chart we are having in our gold right now. So we are not looking for much more. I made a mistake on the last trade. Like I was only watching. I saw this breakout. So I initially when I see that breakout and it is totally fresh on here, I go to the time frame and I saw this engulfing eventually failed on here. I just enter eventually on this. So I had a little profit. I think my first trade was here and 71.71 to almost I had 50 pips, but somehow I did not book profit. As I said, I was doing from my mobile, but and I forgot to check this culprit. Like I this culprit eventually did not break out. Yes, someone said from the group like it didn't break out, but I was only focusing this one. So that's why I said like do not do it. I also uh, said so many time on my other student like try to do it on bigger screen. So once I saw this one is holding, like once I got the stop loss and I know that this is the reason that market is not doing that one. So what we see here is we have this one and eventually we have this one, So this one is failed eventually here. So once this failed, this is now becoming more strong zone. This is more strong zone right now. So this is the zone that we are seeing right now. So let's remove this one. And this is the zone that we are seeing. So market come back to here. Eventually this open and high level, open and close level. So I tried to enter on here, but my trade placed a little bit on upper side. And I took 17 pips. So I just closed I opened two lot and here and put my stop loss exactly. If you go to the 3 minute, you will see this is the level and I put my stop loss eventually here, this level. So I tried to take 20 pips stop loss and market is running right now. I have one trade which is a half lot running, so which is currently doing 34 pips. So I have the plan to hold it like this level. This is the level that I'm trying to get. So if not that, my break even will hit. If it continue, we'll see that one. So this is the analysis. What is the analysis here? Is the same. We saw this one is buying and eventually it come back, and this comeback eventually happen get back from this level. So this is did not failed. So eventually we see this one is failed. So this level is failed. One I confirm this level is failed. I saw market coming back again here, and this paid out well. So this is the analysis. Thank you.